My dear children, today 10th class 7th chapter coordinate geometry main points we are going to discuss. Coordinate means ordered pair. What we called coordinate means another name is ordered pair. Coordinate is coming from Renatus Cortes. After mathematician name it is coming Corte, coordinate. X comma y is called coordinate. X comma y. X is called first coordinate or another name is abscissa. Y coordinate or second coordinate, its another name is ordinate. X comma y shows it represent in a plane as one point only. Only few contents are present in our new syllabus that I am going to show in one paper. They have given a new syllabus, that is distance topic. Distance between 2 points given. Based on the distance, collinearity is given, and distance based show that triangles, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, like that length values given. Triangles, this is a symbol of a triangle, you know. This is quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral means square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, like that we should show based on length only. These sums are given. Section formula is given. That means one line segment divides with certain ratio, that is given section formula. Point of trisection means that the line segment, given line segment is divided into equal 3 parts by 2 points. That is section formula, one of the format only. And another one, 4 equal parts. That means one line segment divides with 3 points equally well, that is 4 equal parts. Next, midpoint formula. This is exactly midpoint. It is also section formula one way, but we should take as 1 point. Area of rhombus. Area of rhombus also distance oriented only. We need to solve that. This content is not present in 10th standard syllabus. Previously it is present, and moreover it will be helpful for interlevel. So this is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4, and for drawing the graph it may be helpful. That's why I am telling both are positive. Here plus x-axis and y-axis also plus. Here x-axis is minus, x coordinate is minus, y coordinate is plus. Here both x and y coordinates are negative. Here x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. Line equations which are used in straight lines, interlevel it is present. Y is equal to mx line passing through origin. That means this is origin where I shown with a pen, that is origin. Line passing through the origin, equation is y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx plus c condition oriented sums. How I am showing that, see, I dropped a pen on that line that shows a line. Suppose if you draw one line which does not passes through origin. Here c is, see, y is equal to mx plus c. C is intercept, y intercept. That means at y point it cuts at a y point, some point 0 comma certain number y. Y means there is a 3, 0 comma 5, 0 comma 6, 0 comma 10, like that it will be present. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. General formula for line equation. Y is equal to 0, x-axis equation. Y is equal to 0 is x-axis equation. X is equal to 0, y-axis equation. Y is equal to k parallel to x-axis equation. Parallel to x-axis equation means, suppose y is equal to 3 you take. This is parallel to, see, y is equal to 3 I am taking means parallel to x-axis equation. Suppose I am keeping like this 3 units away from the x-axis. that is y is equal to k, represents like this, 3 units away from that. Suppose x is equal to k means parallel to y axis, x is equal to 5 unit 5 away from the y axis, it is parallel to y axis only. Another equation, slope point equation, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is a point slope equation. What I am explaining, these concepts are not important, but for higher level I am telling that where I kept tick there, it is important for our exam point of view. So that's why you need to concentrate where I put a tick mark, right mark, that is right, into where I kept, that is unimportant, but they may ask as bits, that's why I'm telling. Another 2-point form line equation, 2 points form line equation means y minus y1 into x2 minus x1 is equal to x minus x1 into y2 minus y1. This is the 2-point form of line equation. Next, 2 intercept form means x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is a is called here, a is called x intercept. That means it cuts at x axis a certain distance, a point. B, y intercept, it cuts at y axis at certain length, that is b. So a x intercept, b is y intercept. Distance between 2 points, here onwards again our syllabus is present in our syllabus. Distance between 2 points, a x1 y1, b x2 y2. Distance formula I shall explain along with graphical structure afterwards. AB is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is very very important formula. Based on this formula, 2 exercises are present. Distance between origin and point. Origin and point means O 0 0 A xy point. OA is equal to root over x square plus y square. Collinearity or collinear. If more than 2 points lie on the same line, then they are collinear. That means this represents collinear. See, all the 3 points A, B, C are lie on the same line. Then how can we prove that? Means AC distance is equal to AB plus BC. That means sum of the 2 distances is equal to third distance, total AC. If suppose AC distance is less than the AB plus BC distance, then they are not collinear. Okay, properties of triangle. This is also important content. If all sides lengths are equal, then equilateral triangle. Already in triangles information I have given in the basics of maths triangle class given. This is helpful. Distance we are finding with the 2 known points, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. All sides are equal. This is an equilateral triangle. If two sides lengths are equal, then triangle is isosceles triangle. Here AB is equal to AC is not equal to BC. That means 2 sides lengths are equal and third side is not equal. In triangles continuation, any 2 sides lengths are not equal, then triangle is a scalene triangle. You can observe this. That means no 2 sides are equal here. AB is not equal to BC is not equal to CA. That means any 2 sides are not equal. Their lengths are different. Properties of quadrilaterals. This one also I have, yes, based on quadrilaterals means sides of length of sides I shall explain another video of basics of this. So first of all you need to learn some of the contents of quadrilaterals. If all sides are equal in length, their diagonals are also equal, then it is square. Suppose in rhombus and square both are equal. In rhombus diagonals are unequal. Here AB, BC, CD, DA, all sides are equal. You can write, I shall hold for some time to write the entire matter. AC is equal to BD. Diagonals also equal. So all sides are equal and diagonal length also equal. Then it is called square. What it is? Square. Next, if all sides equal but diagonals are not equal, then it is rhombus. Then it is rhombus. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. All sides are equal but diagonals are unequal. One is shorter length, another one is longer one. Based on this, sum is there. Area of rhombus will be given half D1 D2. D1 D2 means the first one diagonal. This is one diagonal, say D1. This is another diagonal D2. So half D1 D2, you can find the area of the rhombus. You can find easily. So if opposite sides are equal and diagonals equal, then it is rectangle. Here I am showing the diagram. Yes, see once. AB equal to CD, AB equal to CD, AD equal to BC, AD equal to BC. Opposite sides are equal and diagonals, two diagonals are there, AC and BD diagonals are there. Those two are equal. So then it is rectangle. If suppose diagonals are unequal, then it is parallelogram will come. If opposite sides are equal but diagonals are not equal. Opposite sides are equal but diagonals are not equal. It is called parallelogram. AC is equal to yes, AC is not equal to BD. In this condition, AC is not equal to BD. But AB is equal to CD, opposite sides. Yes, AD is equal to BC. Opposite sides are equal. This is parallelogram. You might have observed so many times this kind of diagrams. Now another one is midpoint formula. This one also present x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Midpoint, that means in middle. In a given line segment, they are asking exactly midpoint means you can find with this point. Suppose A, this is B, in mid, this is midpoint M. Say midpoint, to find out the midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula for midpoint. Of course, some other contents we have written. It is previous chapters, yes, previous syllabus content, and also it is helpful for interlevel, median. If one line is passing through vertex to the opposite side, that is called median. Opposite to the, if you want to write, you can write. Otherwise, no need to write. What I kept ticks, those you can write directly. If you want extra material, you can write all these. This is a median. That means from opposite vertex to opposite side, it divides. BC divides by D exactly equal well. That means it divides into equal halves. That is called median. Like that, three medians will be present. Through B, it divides at one point, and through C, if you are drawing another line, it divides BA into equal halves. So centroid means the concurrent point of medians. The concurrent point of medians is called centroid. Centroid is represented by Z. Centroid represented by G. This divides median into 2:1 ratio. Two parts this one and one part smaller one. From point onwards we need to count. Yes, from C point, suppose you are watching, this is G, CG 2, and here suppose you are taking D, E, suppose E, F. I am writing here points. CG 2 ratios, GE 1 ratio, that is 2:1 ratio. Centroid formula, G, centroid x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. I am not reiterating these points because which are not present in our new syllabus up to where where I put ticks, there only very importance. Here slope format, y is equal to mx line passing through origin, m is equal to y by x. Y is equal to mx plus c line which does not passes through origin, its slope m is equal to y minus c by x. X-axis slope is 0. X-axis slope is 0. Y-axis slope is undefined or infinite. Undefined, it is a better word. Parallel to x-axis slope is 0. Parallel to x-axis slope is 0. Parallel to y-axis slope is undefined. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 equation slope m is equal to minus a by b minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. A x1 y1 b x2 y2 is given means then the slope equation is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. You can write. These are very helpful for the interlevel purpose I am giving. Area of triangle delta is equal to half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Modulus closed. Red mark I kept, that is modulus. Okay. If area of triangle that means delta is equal to 0, then ABC are collinear. This is called as area collinearity. In the circle, it is a plane closed figure, you know that. A group of points with fixed point and fixed distance, that is called circle, you know. OA is equal to OB is equal to radius. We need to find any one of the end points. Suppose any 2 points are given means other point you can find with this. That is distance formula based question only. So we will discuss next point. This is very important formula in our syllabus. Section formula. See here AB1 distance line segment is given. That is divided with m is to n ratio at a certain one certain point C. M is to n ratio. If AB line segment that is actually divides into m is to n ratio internally, then C is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma, again no need to write this comma only, that is my2 plus ny1 by m plus 1. That means this is the first coordinate, that means x coordinate. This is second coordinate, that is y coordinate. Again Heron's formula also present. Heron's formula to determine the area of, already in triangles I have explained. Basics of maths in triangles I have explained. Root over s into s minus a, s minus b into s minus c, where s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Here semi-perimeter, p by 2, p means perimeter, s is equal to semi-perimeter, a, b, c are sides. With this we will discuss sums, all the numbers. So children, where I put ticks, that is very important. Here Heron's formula or Heron's formula information no need to learn in this syllabus, in our syllabus today, in this year, but afterwards it is useful. So all the contents I have given, please try to understand where I kept ticks. That one only present in our syllabus. Learn thoroughly and practice it, like it, and share to your friends and subscribe. Children, have a nice day. Thank you.